Overcoming challenges. Understanding the phrasal verb, come up against. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting episode where we delve deeper into the magical world of phrasal verbs. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrasal verb, come up against. Let's unlock the hidden treasures of English together. The phrasal verb, come up against, typically implies encountering a problem, difficulty, or challenge, especially unexpectedly. It's often used to express the idea of facing a difficult situation or obstacle. For instance, when you say, I came up against a lot of problems during the project, it means you encountered numerous difficulties while working on the project. Now that we know the meaning, let's see how we can use come up against in different sentences. 1. The team came up against a strong opposition in the finals. 2. She came up against unexpected hurdles while setting up her new business. 3. The construction workers came up against unforeseen geological conditions when building the tunnel. Notice how each of these sentences involves facing a challenge or obstacle, highlighting the versatility of this phrasal verb. Let's practice with a few exercises to ensure we've got the hang of it. 1. Fill in the blanks. When trying to implement the new policies, the management, blank, significant resistance from the employees. 2. Create your own sentence using come up against. Feel free to pause the video here to give yourself some time to think about these exercises. Remember, practice is key. Alright, let's go through the answers. 1. When trying to implement the new policies, the management came up against significant resistance from the employees. 2. Your sentence will vary, but ensure it properly uses come up against to imply facing a challenge or difficulty. There you go. You've now added a powerful phrasal verb to your English vocabulary arsenal. Come up against is a handy phrase that will enrich your conversations, making them more nuanced and expressive. Remember, English is a beautiful journey, and every step counts. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.